is a technological lighthouse. It's Vorsprung durch Technik at its most visceral, and it's showing what Audi is capable of, and it's a proof that we deliver in design, in technology, and in elevating the brand back to where it belongs. I'd like to introduce you to the Audi Nuvolari, proudly revealed by our two Formula One drivers, Nico Hülkenberg and Gabriel Bortoletto. Yeah, so let's see it tonight, please.
Good. Helmet, please, so we can see more of the car. Yes. Yes. Look at me. Good. Go step a little bit to the side so we get a bit more of the car.